Are you searching for expert surgical care that combines innovation, safety, and comfort? At Said International Hospital, we are proud to introduce Dr. Uzair Arif, a highly qualified and experienced consultant, laparoscopic laser and bariatric surgeon, MBBS, FCPS, who brings 21st century surgical excellence to the heart of Islamabad. Dr. Uzair Arif specializes in minimally invasive and laser-based surgeries known for faster recovery, minimal pain, low risk of infection, day-care surgery, same-day discharge in many cases. His core services include advanced laser surgery, laser for varicose veins, say goodbye to swollen painful legs with precise outpatient laser treatment, a bloodless stitchless solution for pile using the latest laser technology, laser fitchless surgery, quick recovery and less post-op care for a condition without proper treatment, laser pilonidal sinus surgery, minimally invasive technique with excellent cosmetic results, laparoscopic surgeries, gallbladder removal, appendectomy, hernia repair, ovarian cyst surgery. These procedures are done via keyhole incisions, leading to less scarring and quicker return to routine life. Dr. Uzair Arif consults at Said International Hospital and Diagnostic Unit offering executive OPDs, state-of-the-art dental and aesthetic clinics, in-house diagnostic laboratory, fully stocked walk-in pharmacy, booking and contact information, ready to take the first step towards advanced surgical care. Hospital, Said International Hospital, Islamabad. Website www.saidhospital.com. For appointment 0331 110 675. Choose safety. Choose expertise. Choose Said International Hospital. Dr. Uzair Arif. Transforming lives with precision surgery.